Yeah, pasta or noodles is fine, but there's nothing quite like this ghar ka dal chawal. And I feel like this comfort food differ from, ghar to ghar. Now, even though Appliance has an amazing selection of a different variety of recipes, you can add your own recipe with this create button. So when you click on this create button, you are given three options. You have build from scratch, create with AI, and duplicate recipes. Let's start with build from scratch. As the name suggests, here we build the recipe absolutely from scratch, like naming to adding measurement for ingredients, everything. So first, name your dish, like let's suppose coconut rasam, and then you press on this create button. As soon as you click on the create, the app is trying to generate an image for the coconut rasam that you created or any dish you are creating. And there you go. And now let's go to the view recipes. As you can see, there's currently nothing here. So let's add the steps. As soon as you click on the add step button, you get three options. You have cooking note, which helps to keep a note of what are you doing and why you are doing. Helps you add instructions and will also help you with some of the basic ones like tarka or knead or cook soup. And last but not the least, add ingredient list. Ingredients that are common or uncommon, you can add all of those. And step by step, you can build your own recipe. Here you also have the option to name your step, like tempering spices, and even mention where the step is taking place. Next, we have create with AI, which is an option you also have in the appliance. Write a prompt here. Ta-da! The UpAI will generate the entire recipe along with the steps. You can also copy your favorite recipe link from YouTube and paste it here, and the UpAI will make a recipe out of that. How cool is that? And finally, we have duplicate recipe, where you can duplicate an already existing recipe and customize it as per your liking. Simply search your recipe, like let's search here low-calorie spicy kadhai chicken. Click on duplicate, and it will get saved as low-calorie spicy kadhai chicken copy. As you can see, it has gotten duplicated. And when you go to view recipe and click on the three-dot option, you get three options: edit, remove a step, or add a step below. You can add an ingredient or adjust your spice or sweet level as per as you want. Like here we want to make it absolutely less spicy. So we're going to remove all the steps that has spice in there. Like we have Kashmiri mirch, we'll take it to 1 medium spoon. And there you go. This is the same low-calorie kadhai chicken recipe, but without the spiciness. And all the recipes can be found under My Creation section on the app and Appliance itself, which makes it more accessible for you to use these features. So, what are you waiting for? Let us know which dishes are you most excited to try. And maybe we can try making them in our next upcoming videos. Bye!